All right, market open. I just had a coffee spilling accident. Um, yeah. I'm not gonna be going live with the Discord today. Gonna try it out and see how we do trading because I have been going live for 2 years straight or a year straight. Thank you, Elf. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me get prepared here because I spilled it all over my keyboard and everything. It smells like coffee in here. All right, make sure we're recording. Wow, it feels weird, Avery. I'm talking to nobody. It feels weird. I'm not talking to anybody with the camera. My YouTube down, huh? Yeah, you like watching? I'm gonna make a chat probably for just like me, you, Wing Wong. Could do that. Yeah, but if you like to watch, imagine what the other people do. Like, you think this is the right decision to make? I'm fine, yeah. You? I'm still recording for YouTube. You know that, right? You're fine. We have news at 9:45, so I'm really gonna wait for PMI to drop. We have an hourly SMT at the high, Asian session high. We have this equal 4-hour lows down below that I've been waiting for. But is it gonna hit? That's the problem. We're in this 4-hour gap. I want to see if we inverse this 4-hour bullish gap, but ES looks terrible. Nasdaq's reacting off of this 4-hour bullish gap. So on Nasdaq, 4-hour confirmation or bullish confirmation is being respected. So that's why I want to see if we get that inverse on ES. That's gonna make me want to think we want to continue higher, and then I could probably take out the fib of the 4-hour time frame like yesterday. Yesterday I marked out the fib and we hit the. I went from the most recent low to the most recent high the other day. Like this, and hit the 27 to 50% level. But we can do that today here if we want to continue higher. We can take out the fib and go from this most recent low to this most recent high, 27, 50%, even to 90% maybe. So we'll see. Respecting this 15-minute gap too. I'm gonna X out this hourly S&T. We know we took out this Asian session high. Looks like we want to continue higher off of this because we inversed this 5-minute gap. Broke structure in the 5-minute time frame. We're coming out of a 4-hour bullish gap. I really want to see if we get this 4-hour bearish candle closure, inversing this 4-hour bearish gap. 4-hour bullish candle closure. Sorry. I'd love to get a retrace down. We're respecting this 15-minute. And we swept this 15-minute low at 9 a.m. We're going to continue higher. Yeah, Yeah, we're gonna continue higher here. $930 low. Oh, can we get a retrace, dude? News comes out in a minute and 24 seconds. Let's see if we get a retrace down. I would love to get a retrace down to this 5-minute gap, but I want this to be a first take profit. We know ES already came up and took out this hourly / Asian session. Nasdaq hasn't, but we look like we're going to continue higher here. Coming into a 4-hour bullish gap. We're going to inverse this 4-hour bearish on ES. Even though it looks like chop shit. But we came into that 15-minute gap. We came into this 15-minute gap on NASDAQ and a 4-hour bullish fair value gap, and we're respecting it. We formed an SMT off of that 15-minute low. Right here off 930 open. I'd love a retrace, dude. If we don't get it, we don't get it. But I'd love one. I would love one. Here comes news. We didn't get a 5-minute fair value gap on ES. But let's see if news pushes us down. Let's see if news pushes us down. Me. No! 942, we're going to form an SMT. I don't want to enter here. I don't want that. I want a deeper retrace. I want a deeper retrace. No! Looks like we're going to come take that. Oh. Damn. Yeah, we're probably gonna continue higher. I would love a retrace. I'd love a 5-minute candle to the downside. Damn. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. Boo. Ugh. Dude, my shoulder is so sore. Holy shit. Oh my god, what was that? Holy shit. gonna give longs a shot here, dude. As much as I don't want to, this is scary, but the risk to reward's good. I might get stopped out here. I don't know if I'm liking this one too much. I'm gonna give longs a shot here. I'm gonna give them a shot. I might get stopped out here. Let's see. I want to see we continue higher. I'd really love to. I'll add another position too if I can get in. But right now I'm risking 30 points times 2. $30 times 2 times 2. I'm risking 120 per account. Probably a little bit more because I got a little bit higher. I got it around here. I just don't want to come down into this 5 minute on NASDAQ. It's the only thing. Don't want to come into this 5 minute. Yeah, I'm going to get stopped out. Hold! Hold, motherfucker, hold! Nah. Nah. Maybe I should have waited for a little extra confirmation on this one. Nah. No. Come on, NASDAQ. Hold it. Break back up. Maybe I should go here. 62 points is too much, though. I don't want to move it. I'd rather come back down into the 5 minute and then take another entry. We're getting stopped out here. We're getting stopped out here. Come on, hold. Nah, dude. Nah, dude. Damn. I'm getting stopped out here. Fuck me, dude. Fuck. I liked it too. Damn, dude. That sucks. I swear, dude, if we just come into this 5 minute, dude. I swear. Dude, we're on like a fucking terrible streak. Terrible streak. Now we're break even on the month. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Really? Really? That stinks. Dude, and we inverse the 5 now on both indexes off of this sweep. Are we really about to continue down now? This is crazy. Wow. 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 Straight chop work in this range. Wow. Wow. We're just gonna fucking short all the way down now. I just think it's a fake out to the downside. I'm still bullish right now, dude. I'm still bullish right now. Yeah, we inversed 5 minute to the downside, but we're fucking coming to a 15 minute right now, dude. Coming into a 15-minute fair value gap. 15-minute equilibrium, and we're respecting it, dude. Like, really? But on NASDAQ, we look like we want to continue lower. We got a 5-minute bearish gap now. Ay, ay, ay. $50, dude. Be 200 per account, 168. I'm getting mixed biases from both, dude. Mixed biases from both. Mixed biases from both, dude. We continue higher on ES or we continue lower on NASDAQ. This is crazy. I need to inverse this gap. I might wait till we inverse this 5-minute, dude. If we do, we got a minute left. This is fucking hard, dude. I can see it going either direction right now, dude. I can see ES continuing higher. We inversed that 4-hour bearish gap. We took out the hourly SMT. We're in a 15-minute gap. 15-minute bullish gap. Only thing that's making me hesitate is NASDAQ over here. So we inversed a 5-minute gap. Like, look at this shit, dude. But we swept out that Asian session / hourly high, dude. Do we want to come down and take out these Asian session, New York session 4-hour? Or do we just want to chop around and do this shit all day? This is hard. This ain't easy. Looks like we want to continue lower on NASDAQ, dude. It really does. We broke structure to the upside. We broke structure to the upside. Oh my god. What would this risk to reward be, dude? 43 points. Break even. Let it run. Yes, looks like it wants to continue higher. Look at this shit though. If we take out 1007 low, 1007 low, I'm gonna form a 1-minute SMT off of it maybe. We inverse this gap. See if we form a 1-minute SMT. We got the break. We got the break. So I really like to enter one position here. But the only thing I'm nervous of is forming that 1-minute SMT. Off of this low. NASDAQ's in a 15-minute gap. Take it, dude. Still haven't broke structure on the 5-minute time frame though either, dude. This is difficult, man. I feel like they're trying to fake people out to the downside. That's what I think. That's what I think. ES is coming into a 15-minute gap, respecting it coming out like this, dude. Eight-point stop. I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna rock with it. If I lose, I lose. 10-17 is gonna be my low. I'm gonna risk 9 points right now at this. I want to see if we can get an entry back in. 1.50. 7.153. You're joking, dude. Ay. Watch us sweep out this frickin' 5-minute high and form an S&T off of it or some shit. I swear if I get wrecked again today. If we inverse this gap, I'm gonna cut the trade. But if we respect it, and we take out this 5-minute high on NASDAQ, I'll enter another position. I need to see NASDAQ take out this high. I want NASDAQ to take out this high. If we inverse this gap, I'm out. I'm just saying we never broke structure on the 5-minute time frame. We're respecting a 15-minute gap. Yeah, we came up and swept out buy side, but I just feel like this is a retrace down from that, and then we're gonna continue higher. I could be wrong, but I don't know. Mental state's not too good today, and be honest with that. I don't know why. I would love NASDAQ to take this 5-minute high and inverse this 5-minute gap. I would love that, but we might not get that here. Oh, fuck. Yeah, if we inverse this gap, we're getting cooked. If we inverse this gap, we're getting cooked. Just an FYI. I'm gonna cut it if we do. I might not be able to now. Damn. This is hard as I can see going either direction, man. If we're going to end up forming an SMT off this 5-minute high, we're probably continuing lower. But if we can respect the equilibrium here and respect this fair value gap, we'll be good. But it ain't looking like it at all. It ain't looking like it at all. Yeah. Fuck me, dude. Oh my god, I'm gonna get stopped out, man. If we inverse this gap, I'm gonna add Still didn't inverse that gap. I'm just gonna go off with it. Right now I'm risking 8 points. 8 times 5 times 2. I'm risking $80 per account, which I'm fine with right now, but I want to see if we inverse this. We still didn't inverse this gap on ES. Oh my god, I'm gonna spill my coffee again. Did we inverse that, dude? We did. But we didn't on NASDAQ. Didn't on NASDAQ. NASDAQ looks like it wants to continue lower. ES looks like it wants to continue higher. This is great. 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 This is wonderful. This is wonderful. I'm trading like an idiot today, dude, but what is up with me today, YouTube? Taking stupid trades and then stressing out when I'm in a trade. I just want ES to respect this 15-minute. That's what I'm going with here. I'm holding high time frame over fucking 5-minute over here, but I just don't want this to dump, and I think it's going to. I have the intuition that it's going to continue lower here. I just wish I didn't take one loss already, dude. I wish I didn't take one loss already. Because then I'd add into this position. Trading will make you want to go insane. Sometimes you think you're on top of the world, and then you're not. And then you're not. I just think we're going to respect this 15-minute, man. I really do. Broke back to the upside too, dude. I'm gonna add one more, but that's fucking it, dude. I'm gonna take partials here and then let 2 partials run to here. This is gonna be 50%. Fuck it, dude. Fuck it. 773. But this is where fucking NASDAQ is going to come into the 5-minute, and are we going to reject off of this, you know? And that's what's going to piss me off, because now we're coming back up to this spot. Ay, ay, ay. don't know how much I'm even risking right now. We're risking 8 points with 4 micros. $160 per account plus the loss we already took. 163, $332 per account. That'd be, dude, that's big. That's big. That's big. Not gonna focus on that though. Not gonna focus on it. Not gonna focus on the money. The hard part, because again, it's close to payouts, and now it's like you get so far gone from them. So it's the hard part of trading. I want to see what we do in this 5 minute here. Not liking this, dude. Come on, just pump. Just pump. Be right. Be on the right side of probability today. Be on the right side of probability today. Come on. Come on. Be right back. All right, we're approaching this 5 minute gap, and now NASDAQ swept that 5 minute high. That's not looking good. Shit, dog. This might be deuces, ladies. This might be deuces. This might be deuces. This might be deuces. This shit stinks, dude. Broke structure to the downside, and now we're going to inverse this gap. We inverse that gap. That's not looking good. Yeah, this ain't looking good, dude. Five-minute gap is gonna hold us, man. And we're just gonna chop like this the whole time. Gosh. I might cut this. I feel like I'm tweaking out more about losing more on this trade because these are my accounts that are close to the payout. I feel like that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm just showing the transparency of that because we already took one loss and now I'm risking a little bit more right now. I don't like all this low resistance draws that we're building below, dude. I would love to just pump through this. If NASDAQ inverses this 5 minute, dude, we're going to look golden. But, bro. You know? Just can we get one good pump day to the upside on ES? Like yesterday was like correct. Yesterday we were correct, but the trade should have been taken on NASDAQ. And I don't want the same shit to happen. Inverse this gap. Please. Keep pumping. Break back to the upside on the 5 minute too. We never broke structure to the downside in the 5 minute. We're coming into a 15 minute gap, dude. We inverse a 4 hour bearish gap. I know this is chop shit, but it's like, come on. At least hit like my break even level, you know? Please. Alright, I'm going to reduce risk on this to the 50% level, this 15 minute fair value gap. What is that? 7156? Ma, what are these wicks, dude? What are these wicks? You're the leading index to the upside, ES. Go. 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 The NASDAQ, you can come for this fucking 4 hour if you want. Come for that 4 hour, and that'll make ES come for this 4 hour. Go. We're looking good as of now, but this is where it's gonna fucking jip us. Trading is fucking hard, people. You want to join trading? Yeah, have fun. Have fun. Have fun with it. Have fun. Hold, 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 and hold, and hold, and hold. Oh my god. You're joking. "49 seconds left. We're at 10:30. Inverse that 5 minute and go. And go and go and go. Back to around break even. Are you joking? Are you joking? Are you joking? 2, 1, and we don't inverse the 5 minute. Wow. Wow. Where's my entry at based off of all this? At 763. At 763. That's where my entry is. You really didn't just inverse that 5-minute gap. $9.45. What is this? $9.45. Oh, it's the same 15-minute high. I swear if this is another trade where we can come back at a drawdown and we end up coming back down, dude. Same thing as yesterday when it doesn't follow through. Oh my god. I hate trading. I hate trading. I hate trading. I hate trading. Trading stinks. I'm in another trade. This is what we're looking like right now. I lost my first trade, but I'm tweaking out. I'm not gonna lie. Ass. Ass, ass, ass. Follow through. Oh my god! Really? This is insanity. We're gonna get stopped out. Dude, I was 500 away from securing a payout, and now we're gonna be, if we lose this trade, 1,000 away. 1,000. This price action is ass. Been getting wrecked. Been getting wrecked. Been getting wrecked. Been getting wrecked. Railed. Slingshot. Slingshot of a lifetime. Slingshot of a lifetime, or respect this bearish and then continue lower. If we respect this to a bearish candle closure, I might cut it. We didn't even fucking close above that 5 minute again. We didn't even close above that 5 minute again. Insanity. Insanity. If we get a bearish candle closure out of here, I'm probably gonna close it. Insanity. Insanity. We got a bearish candle closure. Really about to dump on us now, aren't you? Yeah, I'm not liking this at all, dude. Like, what are these wicks? What are these wicks? What are these wicks? This might be my break even now. If we get there. What I'm trying to remind myself is right now is like, how am I going to learn to react when you act like you're going to take multiple losses in a row, but how do you really react when you take multiple losses in a row? And that's where I'm at right now. So it's stressful, but fuck, man. Yeah, I think I'm going to cut this. I think I'm going to cut this. Let's see. I want to see if we inverse this gap. It's not looking so hot out of this 5 minute now, guys. It's really not. NASDAQ looks like it wants to continue lower. But this price action is just... sit in the trade for fucking an hour. Insane. Insane. Look at this shit, dude. Still didn't inverse it. Still waiting. What is that? Oh my god. This is like the same shit as yesterday, dude. Same scenario too. I took a loss. Like, what the fuck? Now we inverse this? Dude, I'm just gonna reduce risk below this low. How about that? And let it ride. 157. 157.75. This is the same thing as yesterday, dude. Same thing as yesterday. Like, what is this? I don't even want to watch this anymore, man. I don't even want to watch this anymore. We're just caught in chop. Here's a new 5-minute candle. So let's see if we could pump up here. Let's see if we form that 15-minute bullish gap. Oh, we did right here, dude. We have a 15-minute bullish gap right here now, too, that we could come down into. Alright, I'm going to put my stop loss up even more now. This is like not my break-even level. This would be a move stop loss. This would be my break-even. Can you do me a favor and go up a little bit? I have one contract at 172, dude. I have a contract at 72. 72.75 I have one at too, dude. Just come up and take it. God. Don't do me dirty here. Let's roll. Like, I swear if we sweep this fucking high and form an SMT off of it, I'm going to be pissed. No. 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 We formed a 1-minute SMT off a 5-minute high. We formed a 1-minute SMT off a 5-minute high. Take it out, NASDAQ. Take it out. Inverse this gap. Respect this. Come on. Respect this. Respect. Respect. Give me respect. Oh my God. We got a bullish candle closure. Okay? Can you do me a fave and just do what you're supposed to do? Take it out, NASDAQ. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out and inverse that gap. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Roll it. Roll the tape. Let's go. Roll the tape. Roll the tape. Oh my God. You inverse the 5-minute. We have to, like... Jesus. Please don't do me dirty on this trade. I'm going to hold it. please. Overall higher time frames bullish, overall lower time frames bullish. What else do you want from me? What else do you want from me? Can we at least take out this 15-minute high and take out my partials, and then I'll be stress-free? And then I'll be stress-free. And then I'll let it rock. And then I'll let it rock. And then it's in your hands, and I'll let the trade play out for the rest of the day. And that's it. You know, we got 11 a.m. coming in 10 minutes. Last time 11 a.m. fucked us. Can it be on our side today? And I'm talking to myself and the camera like a crazy person. I really want to take a partial right now. Just to secure a little bit of it at this high. Really probably should. But I don't know. What's 115 divided by 4? $28 per contract, that's all I'm going to secure? Yeah, no. We're going to hold it. Can you just hit my break even maybe? Hit my break even level? Can we just pump? Can we pump higher here? Can we just go? Can we just like skyrocket? Can we just go up instead of just edging me and then going back down, you know? This is the hardest part of trading right here. When you get close to your take profit and we're just chopping by it. Oh my God. All right, look. One partial secured. One partial secured. One partial secured. We hit our break even. I'm going to put it at break even. And we're going to let the last two rock. I'm going to let it rock to the 4 hour. We took that high. Can we take that 4 hour high? I would believe we could take a 4 hour high if we have a 15-minute high here. I believe we could. I have it at 73. 73 I have it at. And we're right there. 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 Just take me out one more. Just take me out one more. Just take me out. I know you want to. I know you. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This much. All right, I'm securing it. Sorry, guys. I secured it. We secured 2 just because we took a loss. And I'm letting my last 2 run. Letting my last 2 run. I took it. And I'm going to let those last 2 run. That minimizes our loss on the day. I'm fine with that. That minimizes our loss on the day. I'm going to have this right here. This is a spot where we could definitely dump back down. I'm going to have a 1-point stop at 61.50. Right below that low. 61.75. 61.75. Right below this low. 61.50 I'll put it at. We have 2 contracts left. 1, 2, and I'm going to let that ride to all the way to there. Thank you, 11 a.m. Jesus. I'm letting it ride. Letting it ride. Peace out. I'm going to go hug my fiance because I shit my pants. All right, now is it reasonable to put at break even? I have one at 82. I'm going to put one at 80. I'm going to put one at 80 and keep one at 83. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put one at 81. 81. Like this. 81. I'll put one at 81 and one at 83. So I took 25%. 50%, and then this will be 75%. And then 100%. Jesus. Kicking the nuts today, dude. You guys see how much I was stressing out? It's like insane. Like, tell me what that is. Is that called vagina syndrome? Vaginitis? I don't know. All right, 50% of our profits out. I'm holding all the way to the next 4-hour high. We got 75% will be taken off there and 100% will be taken off there. We're getting close. But geez, we're back in profit. This trade's killing me. It's killing me. It's killing me. But we're going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. We're at break even regardless. We're a little bit above break even right here. So we'll see what happens if she wants to run or not. All right, 50% of our profits out. I'm holding all the way to the next 4-hour high. We got 75% will be taken off there. I'm letting this motherfucker ride, dude. I want to see my balls on this, okay? I got a bald head. I got beat up yesterday. Like, and then we almost get another 2 losses. This trade has to play out, right? I got beat up. And I'm bald. 11 a.m. Sheesh. Thank God that was right. We trusted the higher time frame, that 15-minute gap over that stupid 5-minute gap. We're at all-time highs. Original game plan looks like it might play out to these 4-hour highs, and then I had these marked out, the 27% extension and stuff like that. But I believe NASDAQ could come up and take out these 4-hour highs. Why are we going to reverse at a freaking 15-minute high? We can come take out that hourly. This is very reversed before, but I expect some consolidation here, I would think. I mean, we're already in. We got our stop loss at 65. I have it at 65. Below this low. Like this. Trailing stop loss is there. That's where I have it at. I'm letting it run. Okay? I'm letting it run. Worst case scenario, we have a small little loss today. We're expected to get a retrace here. Let's see if we come all the way back down, but I don't know. I would expect to make $100 profit per account, probably. That's what I would expect to make. If we hit. Maybe, I don't know. We're in $31 profit right now. How much did we secure already? Just so I could do an overall idea. How much did we secure? We secured $71. So 168 minus 71. So regardless, we'll take around a $90 loss because we have our thing in profit. Our stop loss is in profit. Let's see if this is a spot where we want to reverse, man. I'm holding. I'm holding now. Holding now. This is the first loss I took on NASDAQ when we were at these highs before, but we ended up dumping back down. So this was the first loss I took, right? And that was $168 per account, as we could see. Now we're here. This is what we're looking like right now. We're only in a little bit of profit, but that's why I'm letting this run. Stop loss is a little bit above break even. The most we lose, is around $90 on this trade. That's the most we lose. So we'll see what happens. All right. He's out. This is the first loss I took on NASDAQ. We're at these highs before, but we ended up dumping back down. So this was the first loss, right? And that was $168 per account, as you can see. Now we're here. This is what we're looking like right now. We're only in a little bit of profit, but that's. This is the first loss I took on NASDAQ. We were at these highs before, but we ended up dumping back down. We have two 5-minute fair value gaps right here, so. Right? And that was $168. I'm expecting a retrace at this level anyway. Now we're here. Just matters if we're going to dump all the way down. This was the first loss I took, right? Alright, so alright, 50. This is the first. I think I need a mental break after this one. Today was one of those days, and we're gonna post the truth. We're gonna post the truth and the real reality of it. Cause fuck you at the end of the day. Make fun of me all you want. Maybe I should talk nice before this stops us out. Gosh. Well, we're back at this level. How we looking? I would love to respect this area, but we'll find out if we're gonna or not. We're breaking above this 4-hour high. Can we get all-time highs on ES? Can we? It looks like we're gonna on NASDAQ again, so the first trade was kind of correct, but we just didn't get the right entry. It's all belief. And then I tweak out over one trade that I lose because I'm on my accounts that are close to a payout, and I didn't want to lose again. You know? NASDAQ's getting close to this 4-hour high. I'm just pointing that out there. Like, you'd think we'd come for that. You'd think. You'd think. You'd think. Like, this is like what you'd want to see right here, you know? This is what you'd want to see. Said I was gonna work on letting my trades run.
I think you're thinking.
All right, we spilled my coffee, and I forgot to film after. But we're currently in a trade. We've already taken one loss, and now we're in a trade. And we're letting runners run because I want to. But this is what we're looking like right now. Nasdaq's about to take this other 4-hour high, so I might take one more partial there. But this is looking like this. I'm on ES. But our first loss, we'll go to the Discord. This was my first loss, right? Lost $168 per account. We're currently looking like this right now. So I'm letting it ride. Hopefully it hits. We're in profit right now. We're still, if it comes back down and stops us out, we'll end up losing around $90 on the day. But I'm letting it run. I spilled my coffee this morning, and I tweaked out a little bit after taking the first loss, and then being in this trade because I didn't want to take another loss because these accounts are close to a payout. What a day, baby. What a day. So we might as well just let it ride. And I got my ass beat yesterday. Look at it. And I got my ass beat yesterday. What a life. What a life.
Alright, for the people who watch me live.
Alright, when NASDAQ takes this high, I'm going to take one more partial. Okay?
Holy shit.
Alright, we spilled my coffee. When NASDAQ takes this. This is what we're looking like right now. Nasdaq's about to take this other 4-hour high, so I might take one more partial there. But this is we're gonna get a push right here. Our first loss. We'll go to the Discord. We're gonna get a push right here. This was my first loss. So I'm gonna pay attention to this. Lost $168 per account. Currently looking like this right now. So I'm letting it ride. Hopefully it hits. We're in profit right now. We're still, if it comes back down and stops us out, we'll end up losing around $90 in the day. I'm gonna watch NASDAQ. I'm watching NASDAQ. And I tweaked out a little bit after taking the first loss. And then being in this trade because I didn't take another loss because these accounts are close to a payout. What a day, baby. What a day. So we might as well just let it ride. And I got my ass beat yesterday.
Alright, for the people who watch me live, I'm doing a little bit of a new game plan. I'm going to be. I just spilled my fucking coffee. Holy shit.
Alright, we spilled my coffee, and I forgot to film after, but we're currently in a trade. We've already taken one loss, and now we're in a trade. We're letting runners run because. Formed another 15-minute gap right here, dude. I'm waiting for love, love, love. I'm waiting for love, love, love. Are you waiting for love? Because I'm waiting for love. Can today just be another day where ES hits all-time highs again? It doesn't even have to. It's like one before. It doesn't even have to. It don't even have to, dude. Don't even have to. Isn't it crazy how your mood switches like right away when you're in profit and don't have to worry about the trade anymore, and then when you're not doing so well, you just fucking tweak out like a tweaker on crack? Crazy world, huh? I'm waiting for love. We're gonna wait in this trade just to make $30 per account in a day. 12. I know you just want to pump. You just want to pump right here. You just want to pump. I'm watching NASDAQ. I'm watching NASDAQ. I'm watching ass crack. I'm watching it. I'm watching ass crack. Alright, NASDAQ took it. I took another partial. Oh, fuck it, guys. I think I'm done for today. I'm just gonna take it. I'm fine with it. I'm just gonna take it. I'm done. Just gonna take it. I'm just gonna take it. I'm done. Might regret that. How many more dollars would have been? With one more micro? 3 points? What's 3 times 5? 15? $15 per account? NASDAQ took that high. I'm done. I'm done. I'm okay with that. Nah, I'm fine with that decision. I'm gonna make sure I cut everything. So we made money today now. That's what risk to reward does. What was our risk to reward on that trade with 4 micros? I had it below. We had it below this low. So we still had a 1 to 7. No, we didn't have it below that low. No, we did. This is the low I had it below. 9 points. That's what it was. So we hit a 1 to 7.8. Around a 1 to 2, basically. So I'm fine with that. Let's resync this. Made $526 on the day. Wow, our second trade was $220 per account. Our first trade was minus $168 per account. Wow. Still down on the week though, but we taking a trade every day of the week. No wonder why I'm tweaking out like a tweaker. But I'm fine with this here. I don't even want to hold it to that because again, I got my profits back from my loss. Not worth $15 per account more on this. NASDAQ took all-time highs. This could definitely be a spot where we could reverse that back down. So if you look at the 4-hour time frame, NASDAQ's all the way up here. Right at 2 p.m. Oh no, it's over here. It's at this high. But yeah, we could take these probably, but fuck it. I'm done. Today was a stressful day. right, YouTube. Peace out. Today was an ass day for me. I don't know what it was. I like that first trade. I thought we were faking people out to the downside. I took it off the 1 minute S&T, right? We took out this low. I thought we were going to continue higher like we did yesterday. That's what happened yesterday. But I trusted this 15-minute bullish gap after the 10 a.m. closure because we inversed this. We inversed that. Hold on, I gotta go to the 4 hour. We inversed this 4 hour bearish gap, right? We were still bullish on the 4 hour time frame. We inversed this bearish gap at the 10 a.m. candle closure. And then we had that retrace that came back down and we came into this 15-minute fair value gap and we're respecting it. So I scaled down to the 5 minute and we never broke structure to the 5 minute on the downside. We just inversed a fair value gap and I didn't care about that. So I scaled down to the 1 minute and I waited for confirmation. And we were continuing higher. We came into this 1 minute gap. We never broke structure. We formed a 1 minute S&T. We inversed this fair value gap to the upside. And I ended up getting an entry around here or something like that. So, yeah. I don't know. Full transparency. Stressful day. Felt weird not trading with the live Discord, but we're gonna do that twice a week. Because I'm so close, dude. Like, on these highest accounts, I'm really close to payouts. But I'm not even gonna request it. I just don't know why I'm stressing out so much. I really don't. Maybe it's just PTSD when I get this far. You know? I don't know. That's today's trade. I'm going to be done for today. I'm going to cut this YouTube thing. It was a longer video, but that's pretty much all we could do. We recorded it. We're staying transparent. I'm going to show everything. I'm going to show my emotions. I'm going to show all that shit because everybody thinks this stuff's easy. But it's not at the end of the day. So, yeah. Deuces.